In today's video, I am going to teach you how to convert Canva designs to Figma. By the end, you will have a clean, editable version of your Canva work sitting right inside Figma, ready for further design, prototyping, or handoff. We're keeping this simple and fast, and we will stick to the essentials so you can follow along without any confusion. First, open your design in Canva and download your design as an SVG file. SVG is a vector format, which means shapes and text stay crisp at any size and remain editable in Figma. In Canva, use the download option. Choose SVG as the file type. And, if your design has multiple pages, select just the pages you want. Give the file a clear name so you can find it easily later. This step preserves the vector structure of your artwork far better than exporting a PNG or JPG would. If your design relies on textures, heavy blurs, or photo filters, just remember that those raster-based effects may not translate perfectly to vector and could end up flattened in the export. That's normal. Once downloaded, locate the SVG file on your computer so it's ready to bring into your Figma project, keeping it somewhere easy to access, like your desktop or a project folder. Will make the next step smooth and quick. Next, open Figma and go to your design. This simply means open the Figma file or page where you want to place the imported artwork. Make sure you are on the right page and that the canvas is visible so you can drop the file exactly where you need it. Now, drag the SVG file directly into your Figma workspace. You can drop it onto the canvas, and Figma will import it instantly. Vector shapes and text generally remain fully editable, so you can change fills, strokes, and typography right inside Figma. Keep in mind that complex effects from Canva like shadows, glows, or certain filters may be flattened during export, appearing as simple layers rather than editable effects. That's expected behavior with SVG and not a problem with your file. You will also notice the imported artwork scales cleanly, so you can resize without losing quality. If the design includes custom fonts, text may come in as editable text or as vector outlines, depending on how Canva handled the export. That's it. Thanks for watching.